What's up, everybody? I just wanted to make a quick video. I have this new keyboard that I found on Amazon. Thought it looked interesting, so I wanted to do an unboxing here and kind of just go over it and see if I can make it look better. So this is the according to the listing on Amazon, EPOMAKER Feker Alice layout. This is the Alice layout that you're seeing there, which is something I've been looking for in a pre-built keyboard, mechanical, with replaceable keycaps and that type of thing. This is advertised to be a 68 key hot swappable Bluetooth 2.4 gigahertz Type-C wired with wireless capability, 8,000 milliamp hour battery, and key rollover, RGB backlight, die-sub PBT keycaps that comes with it, and it's compatible with Windows and Mac, although this is probably best for Windows. So let me go ahead and open it up and take a look. Yeah, here we can see it does mention the gasket that they say that quiets down the keyboard, so I'm just gonna make a quick little addition there. We took off the plastic. Let's see if we can lift this. There was a little bit of, unfortunately, damage on this box, but that's okay. It came with a little foam on the top. So here it is. And does this piece come out easily? Easily enough. So there we go. Now we're looking at it unboxed, and we're going to look at the accessories and stuff. Alright, this is stuff it comes with. That's nice. Type-C. We have the keycap puller up here and the switch puller here. Very nice. Okay, here we can see the bottom of the keyboard. It does have the dual level legs, so that's nice because I like that. So this keyboard has a lot of things that I like about it. First impressions is you feel the weight of this keyboard. It feels it. I was like, oh, this looks and feels at first like metal, but it is nice plastic with the matte. So it just looks good. It looks like aluminum, anodized, or not anodized, but anyway, matte black aluminum. And then you have this here that is metal, which is cool. Always wanted one of these doohickeys. There we go. The theme, you can have the opinion on the theme, but again, first impression when I came in here on it, wow, the feeling is so great. The fact that it's so tight, and the sound, and just touching it feels really, really, really good. So super impressed here. And I'm feeling, I guess, this is pre-lubed keys as well. So you're getting a lot of enthusiast stuff with this. It's a $150 price point. I think they have it for $140, and we might see the price adjust. There's different versions of it or different sellers, not sure. But what we're looking at here is Pro Gateron Pro 2.0 yellow switches, with south-facing LED RGB backlights, 21 lighting effects. The light shines through with these types of switches. They are pre-lubed. Weight of 50 GF to be pressed. Linear switches. You can't even hear it with the gasket and the switch. It's just smooth and quiet. Wow, very cool. At the back here, this does feel and looks very premium because you got the logo, you got the switches. Okay, we're of course on Windows, right? So switch to Windows. Do we want to be on? Yes, we do want to be on. Then you have this. Oh, doing this one-handed is tricky. Can I grab this guy out? Okay. Alright, doing it one-handed. Oh well. Then you got this guy. Okay, dongle. There it is. Just fired it up. So I actually noticed that the 2.4 light lit up there when I turned it on the back, but I actually turned it off and plugged it in order for the computer to recognize that a wired keyboard is plugged in. So we're in the off position, but we are plugged in, and I should have, yes, my keyboard works now. And the only question I have out of this silly little paper manual is how to change the lighting modes. But let's take a look at that. You could see how that looks. Trying to just give you a good look there. Sorry about the shaky camera. One hand holding it. But basically I want to know, how do I do the lights? So I'm looking here in the manual. Yeah, it does explain things pretty well about that, the switch and stuff. We see the key functions, the keys listed here. Backlight on or off, function key L. Function L, light on, light off. Very nice, very easy. So there's the function key. And what else we got? Let's say light on. What else? Backlight color change. Delete. Okay, and this one, is that right? What's the other key? So let's go over the different lighting modes. I think there's like 20 plus of these, so I'm not going to stick on them too long. Just testing them. You know? Kind of cool, huh? So I see this very polished. I see this as being very polished. It has all the favorites and stuff that people would like to see. Ooh, look at that. Is that going through? Yeah, it's fading through. That's cool. Wow, interesting. A lot of stuff to keep you entertained, and so you're not bored. Because other keyboards have basic modes, and you're like, you settle on like the favorite one. But this is kind of cool because they have so many different ones that you might find interesting. And this is all out of the box, which I love. I don't want to have to go through a silly, you know, silly program and have to download them and stuff like that. The control is cool. I want the options, but I just want something. So then you have brightness increase and brightness decrease. Is that, I don't know. Maybe it's this one. No, it's not, but I don't know what I'm doing, but at least you saw that it has all that great stuff. So, I don't know what else to do. A typing test. And then, like, you know, basically, here's your hand position. So, I don't know, quite nice. Now I'm going to be finally doing the Alice keyboard layout and seeing what I think about it. But to me, it seems like it's not a far jump from a standard keyboard. But you get the looks and you get more comfort. So I'm pretty excited about it. Let's see what else we got. We pulled off the keycap and we are seeing here. So we can see, there we go. There's our Yellow Pro 2.0 with the shining. Right? Cool. And, yeah. All right, let's move on. So this was my idea. I grabbed some keycaps that I had and remixed it. Even though we have the orange, just the white, red, and black, very interesting. Just to give you an idea. This is a shift key, and this is it's a shift key, but there's like 3 different shift keys here. But these are just like a normal shift key. Anyway, whatever. I don't know, shift. I don't know, whatever. I have keycaps that fit it, so that's it. Put it on. What else? Light. Yeah. Let's see. Lights. There's a little bit of light that shines through these. Let's see that. I tend to like keycaps that let light through somehow. Oh, this is actually a clear one that doesn't show until the light is on. So that's funny because I forgot about that one. Okay, hope you liked the review. Make sure you hit the thumb, comment, subscribe if you haven't, and hope you like that. And definitely details about this keyboard will be in the description. I'm very impressed, and we're talking about impressed in 2023 on a new level because I've seen a lot of keyboards and I own some nice keyboards, but this one is quite a nice thing. It's basically what I wanted, and it took a long time for something to come on the market that was easy to get. A lot of things you had to build, or you had to pay twice the price, so think about that. Peace. See you in the next one.